If something is broken or damaged, we have a tendency to throw it away. Homeowners, painters and decorators experience that exact dilemma when standing in front of a damaged window frame, usually caused by wood rot. Wood rot occurs mainly in the lower part of the window frame, so even when heavily damaged, the larger part of the window is still perfectly fine. At Repair Care, we believe repairing with our high-quality and durable products is much better for the environment than replacement. To validate our beliefs, we asked independent research agency CE Delft to study the difference in CO2 impact between repairing and replacing window frames. The research used the life cycle assessment, or LCA method, where the entire life cycle is used to evaluate the environmental impact of a product, starting from the raw materials used to create the product until the final disposal of the materials. The result of all greenhouse gas emissions during the life cycle is also known as the CO2 footprint of a product. So what are the results? Let's have a look at the average house with 6 wooden window frames. During a period of 25 years, 3 of them get damaged. The study shows that repairing the window frames, instead of replacing them with new wooden window frames and glazing, leads to a CO2 saving of 98%. This saving is comparable to the CO2 emissions of driving 1,780 miles with a petrol car, or watching TV non-stop for a year and a half, or the average electricity consumption of a household for 6 months. Replacement with a PVC or aluminium window frame is even worse for the environment, so the savings could be even bigger than this. So repairs do not only save you thousands of pounds, but it's also much better for the planet. Many homeowners are looking for greener alternatives when modernising their houses without making any compromises in quality and durability. This research shows that renovations to the facade can be done without making a big impact on the environment. The choice is as easy as turning off the light. So what are you waiting for?